Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what makes Remitly different from other money transfer services. Remitly stands out in the crowded money transfer market by focusing on the needs of immigrants and their families. Their digital-first approach means they can offer competitive pricing and a user-friendly experience. A key difference is their transparent, tiered pricing model. You can choose between an express service for fast, often instant, transfers or an economy service which is cheaper but takes a few days. This gives you control over speed and cost. Another unique feature is their on-time delivery guarantee, which promises a refund on your fees if your money doesn't arrive by the promised time. This builds a lot of trust. They also offer a variety of payout options beyond just bank deposits, including cash pickup, mobile money, and in some regions, even home delivery. While other services like Western Union may have a larger physical network, Remitly's focus on digital convenience, transparent pricing, and flexible delivery options sets it apart, especially for those who prioritize a seamless online experience. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.